Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is 030 Notes, Graphing Coordinates. Objectives: you'll be able to graph coordinates on the coordinate plane. So, in order to graph a coordinate, you must become familiar with the coordinate plane, which is what you see here. This is a 10 by 10 coordinate plane here. Meaning there's 10 boxes to the right of the center, 10 boxes up from the center, 10 boxes to the left, and 10 boxes down. Actually, sorry, it's a 20 by 20. But from the middle, it's all 10 in each direction. This is a coordinate plane on the graph paper you'll be provided here in class. On this coordinate plane, you have 4 different quadrants. The quadrant in the top right hand corner is called quadrant 1. The quadrant in the top left hand corner is quadrant 2. The quadrant in the bottom left hand corner is quadrant 3. And the quadrant in the bottom right hand corner is the quadrant 4. As you can see, they're all in Roman numerals. Alright, so the line going across here on the bottom is the x-axis. And the blue line drawn up and down, that's the y-axis. And then the special point there in the middle, where the x-axis and the y-axis meet, is called the origin. That's some of the key information that you need to remember from middle school. Alright, once again, this red line here, that is the horizontal line, it's the x-axis. When a line is going from left to right, like the horizon, it's a horizontal line, like the horizon. When a line is vertical, aka lines up and down, then a line is vertical. So when a line is going straight up and down, the line is vertical. As you can see, this line is over the y-axis. Alright. We must plot coordinates counting left and right first. So when we're going to plot a coordinate, we have to count left and right first. Then second, we go up and down. The information on how much you count is given by the coordinate in coordinate form. So we have this coordinate here, xy, where the x value tells us how much left and right, and the y value tells us how much up and down, going from the center, the origin of your graph here. So it's counting from there. Let's do some examples so you see what I mean. So plot the coordinate 4, 8. So what we do from the origin, we count 4 boxes to the right. Because it's a positive 4, we go to the right 4. And this is a positive 8, so we go up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And right there, that red dot is the coordinate 4, 8. So if the number, that first number in the coordinate is a positive number, so if the x value is positive, we're going to go to the right. If the second number in the coordinate is positive, we're going to be counting up. Now if the first coordinate is a negative number, we're going to go to the left. If the second number is a negative number, we're going to count down. And you could have a combination of pluses and minuses to tell you which direction to go. So right here we got negative 2, 4. So since the first number is a negative, we're going to be going to the left. And the second number is a positive, so we're going to go up. So from the origin, we're going to the left, 2, 1, 2. And we got to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That coordinate I just plotted, that red one, is the coordinate negative 2, 4. How about negative 3, positive 7? See if you could do that on your own. 3 to the left, 7 up. So right there, did you get the same coordinate as me? I bet you did. Now we have negative 5 comma negative 2. So we have a negative the first number in the coordinate is a negative, so we go to the left. The second number in the coordinate is a negative, so we go down. So -5, -2, so we go 5 to the left, and then 2 down. So that's the coordinate -5, -2. Let's try this one. We have 8, -6. So we go 8 to the right, 6 down. So that'd be right here. So remember, it's always counting from the origin. Now we also got to do the reverse, so pardon me. So what is the coordinate in the green dot below? So from the origin we go 2 to the right and then 6 up. So since we went 2 to the right, we do 2. So that's a +2. And then since it's 6 up, we're at +6. So that coordinate there is 2, 6. How about this green dot? Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, 3 up. So that coordinate's 5, 3. Here in number 3. This coordinate is 5 to the left, 3 up. So this one is -5, 3. Number 4. This one is 6 to the left, 3 down, so that would be -6, -3. Look at number 5, see if you can do that on your own first. Alright, did you get 9 to the left and then 3 down? Well, 9 to the left is -9, and 3 down is -3. So that's the coordinate -9, -3. How about this one? See if you could do this one on your own. Did you get -3, -4? If so, you're right. You could try this one. It's 3 to the right, 5 down. So 3 to the right, and then 5 down. Why don't you try this one on your own? I got 5 to the right, 3 down. So I go 5, -3. This one is 9 to the right, 7 down. So 9, -7. Alright, this one is 4 to the right, 5 down. So it'll be 4, -5. Here's your classwork and your homework. If you have any questions, please come to Extra Help. I'll be happy to help you out. Or send me an email. Alright, have yourself a good night.